we're going to change the battery on this Seadoo real quick, so let me show you what you need to know. First thing we're going to do, remove the seats. There's 2 clips on the rear seat and 1 in the center on the front seat. Picks up and off. Down in here is our battery, and they use a strap on this that goes from one side to the other, and if you try and put that strap on with your bare hands, you'll end up bleeding all over the inside of your hull. These things have something sharp down in the hull that will cut you up terribly. This long hose puller, this is a Lyle branded tool. There's a link to this in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can use this to hook the rubber strap and pull it off and put it back on. So we're going to get down in here and hook this right into our rubber. And then we can push down on it and unclip. Now the battery we're putting back in here is an AGM style, which is absorbed glass mat. So instead of having flooded cells like a traditional automotive battery or even small power sports battery, this has like a foam or a fiberglass material that has the acid absorbed in it. So it doesn't matter what position it's in, going over waves and things isn't going to cause problems with this battery. So these are a better option if you're putting them in a personal watercraft.
There we go.
There you have it. Changing battery on a new Seadoo isn't that hard, especially if you use that trick with this to avoid slicing your hands open on whatever razor blades the engineers decide to put down in there. Thanks for watching.